In 1968, the American Heart Association issued a recommendation that shaped dietary habits for generations. They cautioned against consuming more than 3 eggs per week, fearing that the cholesterol in egg yolks could elevate the risk of cardiovascular diseases. But as science has advanced, we've come to realize that the relationship between dietary cholesterol and heart health is far more complex than we once thought. Let's dive into the science behind cholesterol, how our body processes fats, and whether eggs deserve their bad reputation. Understanding cholesterol and digestion. When you consume a meal, your digestive system gets to work breaking down the fats you eat. Your body emulsifies these fats, turning them into tiny lipid droplets that can be absorbed in the small intestine. These lipid droplets then travel to various tissues, including the liver, where they are repackaged into structures called lipoproteins. Lipoproteins are responsible for transporting fats through the bloodstream. They vary in density, depending on their composition of protein, and the two most well-known types are 1. Low-density lipoprotein, LDL, often labeled as bad cholesterol. LDL is packed with fatty molecules such as triglycerides and cholesterol. It delivers these lipids to cells throughout the body. However, excessive LDL can lead to the accumulation of fatty deposits on blood vessel walls, causing inflammation and narrowing the arteries. This increases the risk of heart disease, strokes, and other cardiovascular issues. 2. High-density lipoprotein, HDL, known as good cholesterol. HDL has a higher protein content and plays a crucial role in removing excess LDL from the bloodstream. It transports it back to the liver, where it is broken down and excreted from the body. HDL also has anti-inflammatory properties, further contributing to heart health. The role of genetics and lifestyle in cholesterol levels. While cholesterol is essential for various bodily functions, including hormone production and cell membrane formation, an imbalance in lipoproteins can be problematic. Several factors influence cholesterol levels, including genetics. Some people are genetically predisposed to higher cholesterol levels due to inherited conditions that affect LDL receptor function. This means their bodies struggle to clear LDL from the blood efficiently. Diet. The types of fats consumed have a significant impact on cholesterol levels. Saturated and trans fats, found in red meat, processed foods, and certain oils, can increase LDL levels. In contrast, unsaturated fats, found in foods like nuts, seeds, fish, and olive oil, promote heart health by reducing LDL and increasing HDL. Exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity, particularly aerobic and resistance training, has been shown to improve lipid profiles by lowering LDL and raising HDL levels. Smoking and alcohol consumption. Smoking has been linked to increased LDL levels and arterial damage, while moderate alcohol consumption, such as red wine, may have some heart protective benefits. However, excessive alcohol intake can lead to weight gain, liver issues, and an overall negative impact on heart health. What about eggs? Are they really that bad? For decades, eggs were demonized due to their high cholesterol content. A single egg yolk contains around 186 milligrams of cholesterol, which led health authorities to impose strict consumption guidelines. However, modern research suggests that dietary cholesterol does not have as significant an impact on blood cholesterol levels as once believed. The body produces the majority of its cholesterol independently, adjusting its production based on dietary intake. In other words, when you consume foods rich in cholesterol, your liver compensates by making less. Moreover, eggs contain beneficial nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, choline, which supports brain function, and essential vitamins like B12 and D. The bigger picture, a balanced diet matters more. Instead of focusing solely on individual foods, it's essential to adopt a holistic approach to heart health. Here are some key dietary recommendations. Increase fiber intake. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables help lower LDL by reducing cholesterol absorption in the gut. Choose healthy fats. Incorporate more unsaturated fats from sources like avocados, fatty fish, and olive oil while minimizing saturated and trans fats. Stay active. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week to maintain optimal cholesterol levels. Quit smoking. This is one of the most effective ways to improve cardiovascular health and lower LDL levels. Monitor cholesterol levels. Regular checkups and lipid panels can help track your progress and detect any abnormalities early on. Cholesterol medications. When lifestyle changes aren't enough. For individuals with persistently high cholesterol levels due to genetic factors, lifestyle changes alone may not be sufficient. Fortunately, medical advancements have led to highly effective treatments. Statins, these drugs work by inhibiting an enzyme that the liver uses to produce LDL cholesterol. PCSK9 inhibitors, a newer class of medications that increase the liver's ability to remove LDL from the blood. Fibrates and niacin, these can help lower triglyceride levels and modestly boost HDL. Eggs in moderation are healthy. So, should you eat eggs? The answer is yes, in moderation. An egg a day is generally considered safe and nutritious, especially when consumed as part of a balanced diet rich in fiber and healthy fats. The real culprits behind high cholesterol and heart disease are processed foods, trans fats, and sedentary lifestyles. Instead of fearing cholesterol-rich foods, focus on overall dietary patterns and lifestyle choices. By maintaining a balanced diet, staying active, and making informed health decisions, you can enjoy eggs and other nutritious foods without worry. And remember, when it comes to heart health, it's not just about what you eat, but how you live.